Hello everyone, in this lesson I'll tell you how to create your own transitions between media files, and we'll create several transitions like these. So let's not waste any time and get started. Let's create a new project. Let's call it Transitions. Device YouTube. Resolution Full HD, frame rate 30. Click Finish. Close the file sequence wizard. We won't need it today. Now I'll add some pictures to demonstrate the transitions we'll create today. If you are following along, then load any two pictures from a free stock site and add them to the timeline like I do it. Open the Resources window and the File Explorer on your computer, where the images are located. Select them and drag them to the Resources window. Next, add them to the timeline one by one. Select them, right-click, hover over Crop Tools and choose Auto Cropping. This way we have stretched the images proportionally to the screen size. Now a bit of theory. For the transition to work, you need to follow certain rules, namely: first rule, the file that ends its action is above the file that starts its action. Second rule, the overlap duration of one file over the other is equal to the duration of the transition. Third rule, the transition is always within the file that ends its action. Fourth rule, the transition should have a composition mode XOR. I'll write these rules in the description of this video, so if you forget them, you can check them there. Now it's time to apply these rules in practice. So let's determine the transition duration. I'll make the transition duration 2 seconds or 60 frames. Select both files and click the Edit Gaps button. In the offset between the object field, write -60 frames or -2 seconds. And click OK. Deselect the files. Just click somewhere in an empty space. Next, double-click the top file. Move the cursor to the 8-second mark. Add a sprite container. Click Add Sprite. OK. Draw a container of any shape and size on the screen. Next, open the property window and click the button set the same size as the parent has. Rename the sprite to Transition. Change the composition mode to XOR. Double-click the sprite. Reduce the screen size a bit. Our task is to fill the screen with randomly placed shapes. The shapes can be of different size and shapes. The main condition is that the screen must be completely filled without gaps. I'll fill the screen with ellipses. Here everyone can use their imagination. So let's do it. Next, add the zoom effect. Click in an empty space to deselect the files. Right-click, hover over video effects, transforms, zoom. OK. In the zoom effect properties, expand the levels field. Set the initial value to 0. Copy the zoom effect and paste it into each of your shapes. Do it. Delete the zoom effect from this level. You can view the result. Excellent. Now I'll show you a few ideas on how to change any shape transition. Make sure no files are selected. Right-click, hover over video effects, transforms, add the distort effect. The distort effect should be at the very top level. If not, move it up by clicking the top arrow. In the distort effect properties, find the type field and change it to explode. Expand the shift size field and set the initial value to 0. And the final value to 100. View the result. Excellent. Next, change the type from explode to twirl. Expand the angle delta field and set the final value to 0.3. View a result. Excellent. You'll check the other properties of the distort effect on your own as a homework assignment. I am finishing this lesson here. I have a request for you. If this lesson was useful, please like it. If not, give it a dislike. This way I'll know your opinion for sure. Thank you all very much for watching. I am not saying goodbye, but I see you in the next videos on my channel. Have a great day. Bye.